Whoa. This is Miles and his skateboard. Oh, that was a trick, huh? Oh, good boy. This is Miles and his skateboard. He's doing tricks. Oh, okay. That was a good one. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Whoa. Let me see you ride your skateboard. Yeah, go ahead. Go on. Oh. Okay, that was a fall. Just get up and try it again. Clearly. Okay. Bye-bye. You leaving me?